Six.
How did you fall on a side hit?
Juliet, text next night and tell me to get up here. Okay. Yeah, it was, you know, the problem with yesterday, the snow was nice, there weren't many people here, it was great. You just, like, you're getting pelted in your face with snow coming down the hill. That is cool.
There's Matthew and the two songs, but these are Matthew's tomatoes. And how Matty Joe is the cookies.
I know. And in this family, Matthew doesn't do you much.
Blackberries. Your contacts don't go on your SIM card anymore.
Sets up for a nice Christmas, right there?
Yeah, no, it looks good. We'll bring the
yeah, I told Andrew that. He's like, oh yeah, we're not doing anything for Christmas. I was like, no, we're hosting. Yeah. And he's like, no, you're not. I'm going to Windham. And I was like, no, we're hosting.
You see why I didn't talk about it before?
right, exactly. You changed 6 times.
Last year, did we still have to wear masks inside the lodge? I don't think so.
It's Christmas.
Really?
Why are you trying to kill Christmas? No tree. No tree.
We have one tree up. Just setting up.
I want the tree.
Problem is,
in November.
Matt worked his butt off getting that tree up.
You see the tree I put up here?
Yeah, you should have brought start. Remember last time you hosted Christmas? There are no trees on the lot because they went the day before to get a tree.
Yeah, last year, remember I said you're going to love my tree. It's the biggest.
Oh, I don't
remember?
It was like a stick.
It was horrendous. It's like, you know, we're sticking with it.
Very easy to do.
What? No, it's got water.
We have found the best place to get trees for us.
Well, you
The
should get
farm in Yorktown.
them.
Do you remember this park that we went in like 100 times?
Yeah. Can't do that without the trees.
Guess what today is? Besides Mickey's birthday, it's the day I recon my pickup truck with my son. Sayonara. He was just at school for 2 weeks without a truck and he survived. He was broken.
Yeah, but that's not a way that it should be at school. Alright, so what comes in March when he starts coming down? He was. I called him yesterday. He was at the simulator. I did. We could tweak his thumb or something.
At the end here, the last
He was
one?
flying. He went over.
Yeah.
I stopped. He's like, whoa! Came over my skis. I would rather him hit.
This was hard work coming through here. He was funny, the ski patrol. Close your eyes.
Oh.
Matt's like, I dropped my pole.
Why is it closed? Because that's free tea.
Because they just want you. They gotta make it to make it look like if you're coming in, you.
Express tracks, bro.
Oh. He ate that.
Yesterday was nice because they opened Windfall and nobody was going over there, so you could do that. It's probably as good as it gets. And then you cut over because Sealift wasn't there. Wonderama was like had been groomed and had powder on top.
Oh, nice.
Should we go right on it? It's not that anymore.
Windfall is good?
Windfall is a little slicker today, but it's not. It's when the crowd's bad, it's a good place to go.
I like
Nobody's
Windfall.
going.
I don't. Why? I feel like I'm gonna fall off the side. I can't
What do you
really
want me to
enjoy it
do?
because there's always someone
going back
looking
to
up
the
the whole
floor.
trail.
Right.
You just gotta like stop and like
right.
wait
Can I
till,
go
there's a finally
over
opening and
far
then
again
outside
and I'll
walk
meet
through
you
it.
at the bottom? Alright. Sounds good.
Right.
You know the skier's going to take up the whole trail.
Yeah, but it's hard when there's two skiers taking up the whole trail. They're taking up opposite sides. So then you have to weave your way through. It's actually probably my least favorite trail next to Wildcat because that hike is never worth the trail ever.
I haven't been on I didn't even go on it last year.
Wildcat.
Oh, wow.
It wasn't.
It's really open this year.
Wildcat is like the walk to Wipeout for like an inch of trail.
Right.
And then you have to take wraparound the rest of the way. Oh, I thought you meant the part with the
Warpath is good.
It's actually really good. Like, it's not really good.
I'm looking at Warpath.
Warpath is good.
Why
Everybody
is it?
passes.
The wall is bad. You should do the shoot. Do the shoot though. The shoot is great.
I will do the shoot.
Yeah. Just make sure you take this cut. Because I didn't
Why
do
is
that.
this
and
shoot
that's
great?
It's got snow on it.
Yeah, I guess that makes it.
it was great. It was
So
great.
what, Kurt, what was the total on your deck? What was the total?
Total on my deck. Oh, I didn't measure.
What do you think? 10, 15?
Yeah, I'd say a good a foot because it was heavy and stuff. It was snowing a lot more from straight and white than it looked.
Alright, I'll see you at the bottom. Oh, come on!
One more inch.
Come on. Oh, it's like you can't quite get to the top. That is a violation. It's like the lead.
I hope this doesn't break in. We'll be stuck here for hours.
I feel
Oh yeah. All that to go an inch. Okay. Unload speed impossible. Later.